Upwork doesn't randomly show profiles to clients. It uses a complex algorithm behind the scenes. When a client posts a job, Upwork recommends freelancers, rank proposal, and even influences who shows up in searches. Here are three core parts of the algorithm you must understand: job post creation, freelancer profile recommendation, and proposal ranking. Let's go deep into each part so you know exactly how to optimize and win. When a client posts a job, it looks at a few things to figure out who is the best match for that specific job. Here's what matters most. Your skills match the ones mentioned in the job post. You have been active recently, logged in and applied to the jobs. You have completed similar jobs in the category before. Your job success score and client ratings if you have listed any relevant project catalog item. Now, most clients don't know the exact technical terms, so they just pick whatever Upwork recommends, so you have to optimize it correctly. For example, let's say a client wants a landing page. Upwork might suggest web design, UI UX, HTML CSS, but maybe your skill is Webflow or Framer. If those skills are not in your profile, you will never show up. So here is a pro tip for you. Add shadow keywords to your profile. These are related terms your client use, like landing page, sales funnel, web design, all mean the same to client, but cover more algorithm ground. Now let's talk about proposal ranking. What happens after you apply? When you send a proposal, you are entering in a second ranking phase. Clients see your proposal based on best match score, means Upwork uses its internal system to match how well your profile fits the job. This includes your skill, title, and description, all compared to the job post. Proposal quality: did you write something personal and tailored, or did you just copy and paste a generic response? Upwork takes that into account. Profile relevance: even if your proposal is solid, if your profile doesn't reflect the right skill or keyword, you may not rank higher. Now, let me clear a big misconception here. People think Upwork favors the freelancer who have earned the most. That's not true. Even if you are a new freelancer with $0 earned can outrank someone who's made $5,000 if their profile and proposal are better match for the job. Now, if you really want to understand how clients see your proposal, the best thing is to create a temporary client account and post a fake job in your niche. Why? Because you will exactly see what kind of freelancer Upwork recommends, which profiles are ranking at the top, what kind of wording, skill, and structure actually get noticed. This trick gives you insight into how the algorithm really works. Now the time is to update your freelancer profile. Add high volume client search terms, use job specific keywords multiple times, but naturally, your skills should match with the job post suggestion. Employment history and portfolio include niche specific tags like Figma, Webflow conversion, not just web development. Log in daily, send smart proposal, not mass ones. Add 1 to 2 project catalog items. Upwork now features them on your profile and the job invites. The first few jobs define your Upwork journey. Over deliver and get 5-star reviews. This boosts your trust rank with the algorithm and improves all future visibility. You now understand how the Upwork algorithm really works, and you have a real strategy. Create fake job posts, reverse engineer what Upwork recommends, optimize your profile with real client search terms, rank better, win faster. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.